Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how we can use grading tool for building plot plans and for drainage ponds. How we can get the optimum level for building plot plan as well as pond with the use of this grading tool. So I will start the first example of building plot plan. Suppose we are planning one plot at this location and we want to get the optimum level for this ages based on volume calculations. So how can I do that? So the first step is I will start directly grading creation tool. In this I have to define it some grading group. So I say plot 1. I will automatically create surface for this, and I will for volume based surface I will use existing ground. So I am giving the style for this. I will give elevation bending only. Now the first step is we have to convert this into feature line. So if it is a polyline, we have to assign it some label. So I will first create it into feature line. I will give name to plot 1 and I will assign some elevations. So in the first step, you have to assign random labels. Let's say 25. And now I will grade to surface and I will use create grading. I will select this feature line. Grading side is on this side for the entire length, and I am having slope. So I want 1 in 3 slope for cut and for fill. It will give me some levels based on this volume based on this. And similar way I want to do the infill as well, so I can get the levels for the entire surface. So this is the way we are creating grading. Now the next option is uh, we have to go into the grading volume tools. So it is showing me in this surface we are having almost all the materials are in the cut. So I will show you this in object viewer so you get an idea what type of surface is there. So you can see all the sides we are having cut only. So I want to get exact cut same as exact fill value. So how can I do that? So there is one option here. You can select this and you can specify if you want any volume to be remain after this. So software will automatically calculate the levels of this line and it will give you the net volume close to the zero. So you can see the cut volume is this one and fill volume is this one. So net we are getting this much fill and it is auto balance has been done. So you can check the feature line levels now. Process it has been modified to 50 and you can check the surface in the object viewer. Yeah, so we are having cut fill balance on both sides. So this is the way you can create a plot level which is giving you exact cut fill volumes. So this is one way we are doing it in the plot plans. Now moving on to the second example, when you are designing drainage ponds, you can use this grading method. Generally, in the main grading, when you do the grading design, the main problem you face is the objects are not tangential to each other. So that's why there is a gap between the surfaces. So how you can resolve that? So you can create two circles. I'm just giving you one example. This is another circle, and you can use circle TTR command, and you can give and draw two circles. So and for that you can do trim command. You can get something, shape something like this. So after getting this, based on the drainage calculation, you will get an inward level for this one. So first step is I will join all this object. It must be tangential to each other, so there will be no gap in the final surface. So the next step is you have to create grading. I will create new surface for this one. I will give name pond. Okay, I am creating new grading surface. Now for the pond, the first step is we are doing grade it to the distance. So I will select this, and I have not converted this into feature line, so I will do it directly. So when I start grading, it will ask me, do you want to convert this into feature line? So I am doing that, and I am assigning elevation, let's say 35 or 30. Now it will ask me grading side. I want to do it for entire length. I will give distance of 20 meter. I will specify the slope, uh, 3 in 1. So you can see this surface has been created. So after this, there will be one maintenance access. So for that, I will use the same grade to distance. I will select create grading command, select the feature line for the entire length. The distance will be 3.5. Right. This time I will mention grade. I will provide 0.5% grade for the drainage. It will create maintenance access, and afterwards I want to grade to surface. So I will select this. Okay, I have not specified the target surface, so I'm giving existing ground. Select the feature line for the entire length. I will mention slope 3 for cut and 3 for fill. So it will target to the ground, and I will do infill as well. So the entire pond is complete, and I can see it in object viewer. You can see there is a maintenance access of 3.5 meter. This is 1 in 3. This uh, this entire shape is as per the drainage requirement. So based on drainage change in drainage requirement, you have to modify this shape. And if there is any update in the level, you can directly modify the feature line. So suppose the level is from 30, it is modified to 25. So you just have to update the feature line, and it will automatically update entire surface. If there is a change in the shape of the pond, then you have to again do the entire exercise. So if there is a vertical change, you can do it with this. But if there is a horizontal change, you have to do it again. So this has been modified as per the new level. So this is the way you can use this grading tool. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.